Hi, my name is Keith and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing NordFX. So what is NordFX and how is it better from other brokers I've reviewed in the past? Well, NordFX is an international broker with over 10 years of experience in the financial markets. Since 2008, the company has been awarded more than 60 prestigious professional awards, and the number of accounts opened in NordFX by clients from almost 190 countries has exceeded the 1,700,000 as of today. So before I go any further, let me first talk about the advantages of NordFX, how it's better from any other brokers I've reviewed before. So when you go over to NordFX website, by the way, remember the link is in the description. Okay, I'll also talk about the account registration process and everything else you need to know. So simply click on the menu bar, simply visit the website and simply scroll down and click on Why NordFX. So on the Why NordFX, you're going to see a lot of reasons why you should get started with NordFX. So let me tell you some of those reasons. So NordFX has got 36 currency pairs. Okay, apart from that, it has also got some cryptocurrency pairs and stock indices such as Nasdaq, okay, Dow Jones, and so on. So if you're looking for a Nasdaq broker, NordFX is for you. Okay, so the other advantage that NordFX has when compared to other brokers, it is the low spread it has. So what spread does NordFX has? So according to their website, okay, the spreads are from 0.0, and for crypto payers it's from 1.0 pips, and the commission is very minimal. Okay, and the trading platform that NordFX uses is no other than the MetaTrader 4, which is the most common, widely used, and easy to use trading platform. So I already have a video on how to use MetaTrader 4. If you need more information about that, I'll include the link in the description. And finally, the leverage. So NordFX, okay, you can choose the leverage of your choice, but you can get up to 1 to 1000 leverage with NordFX. The other advantage that NordFX has as compared to other brokers is the minimum deposit. So the minimum deposit you can get started with is actually about $10. Okay, so try out with $10 in a real account, or you can start with a demo account for free. And the most important part when it comes to NordFX is the order execution speed. So with NordFX, you can get speed of 0.5 seconds. That is like half a second speed to execute an order, which is very good, because with some brokers, it takes even up to 5 seconds just for an order to be executed. So order speed execution is very important in trading, especially if you're trading Nasdaq and other high volatile pairs or indices. So, and the other most important part when it comes to NordFX is that they've got a huge experience in repairing hacker attacks. And according to your website, they are saying that in 13 years of operation, unlike crypto exchanges, there has not been a single hacking and not a single of customers' funds been lost either. So this is good news. Like, people are really scared, like what if the account would get hacked? But you're being told right now that in over 13 years of their trading, they have not experienced any hacking, and no customers lost a penny. So this is very good news, and this will help you like have confidence and know that nothing is going to happen to your account. Okay, and the other important part is that when it comes to NordFX, compared to other brokers, it is easy to deposit and withdraw your funds. So you can do that through bank transfer, Visa, MasterCard, even using e-wallets such as Q. Okay, my favorite, which is Q, is the best. And in case that you get run into a problem, okay, you can actually get in touch and chat with support in 24/5, which is very good. And the other important information, if you're a beginner, NordFX really has got a lot of materials, both written and in video form, to help you get started with trading. So I'll also include the link to that where you can access that information. So the most thing I've found out about NordFX that makes it stand out from other brokers, okay, it is the NordFX savings account. So what is this account? So this account is very good that like you can earn NordFX savings account. It's possible that you might earn up to 30% per annum. That is 30% per year from your invested money. Okay. So this is very good because most banks are only going to pay you probably up to a maximum of 5% per year. But with NordFX, you get up to 30% per annum. So how does this investment work with NordFX? So according to our website, they're saying that like the DeFi, okay, is a term for special applications in the cryptocurrency or blockchain. It is aimed at eliminating financial intermediaries, and it is these advantages of DeFi that has formed the basis of the innovative new NordFX savings account, which allows its owners to generate profits many times higher than interest on bank deposits. So passive income on their investment is currently about 30% per annum and may vary. So there's a lot of information about how these savings work. So I'll include a link also where you can read the directory on how this works. So this is actually a good thing. Like if you're not yet profitable in trading, or if you're still learning in trading, yeah, so you can actually invest and earn some money as you learn how to trade. Okay, remember that you can as well get a demo account for free with NordFX. And by the way, if you head to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, NordFX actually has got its own mobile application for investing, which is really good and it's easy and it has got a nice user interface. So you can get this app on Google Play Store or on your App Store. I don't know if you can see this clearly. Okay, so this is how it actually looks like. It's very easy to use and it's basically straightforward. Yeah. So the link to this app will be as well in the description. So how do you create an account with NordFX? So the first step you have to do is visit the link in the description, and simply on your right top bar you're going to see something like open an account. So simply click on that button. That's if you're using a laptop or a desktop. If you're using a phone, simply it will be somewhere on the top, simply or click on the menu and you'll be able to get started from there. So what you need to do right now is simply fill in this information. Okay, and let me just try to show you that. Okay, so when creating an account, you'll be requested to choose the account type you want. So there's the pro, the fix, and the zero. So you can learn more about the pro, the spread, and everything it has, okay, when you click on the trading accounts. So on the trading account over here we've got, so let me just simply click here and we get to learn more about these accounts. So it's saying that the fixed account has got a minimum deposit of $10. The spread is from 2 pips, credit leverage up to 1 to 1000, and the account balance in US dollars, and the quote precision in 4 digits, and it has no commission. So the fixed account sounds good. And then when it comes to the pro account, the pro for this, you need the minimum deposit is $250. And finally the zero, which has got the lowest commission of 0.0035% per trade. Okay, and the quote precision is 5 digits and spread is from 0.0 pips. So in this case, like what I would advise you is either go with a fix or the pro account. That's if you can manage to deposit more than $250. But if you can't, then the fixed account is very good and the spread is from 2 pips, which is okay. So now that you've learned about the account types, okay, I'm going to continue and create an account. And lastly, what I talked about is the savings. Okay, so unfortunately for this, the minimum investment is $500 and the average yearly interest is 30%. Okay, and the yearly loan interest is 3%. Then the account balance, like this, you either choose the USDT or DAI, and it is available to all account holders. So this sounds good, the savings account. So for now, we simply want to be trading on our own. So what you have to do is create an account. So now that we have understood what these accounts are and the conditions it comes with, let's go on and proceed and create an account. So let me just do that. I'm going to choose the fix. So the fix has got a minimum of $10, and I'm going to choose the US dollars. Then the leverage, as I told you earlier on, that you are free to choose the leverage of your choice. So in this case, I'm going to go on with the leverage of 1 to 200, and I'm going to click on I am human. So I'm just okay, so I'm done with the capture. So my account creation is now done, and here are my login details over here, and I can see them over here. Okay, so now that I've created an account, the next step will be either depositing money and trading. But before that, we need to first to connect your MetaTrader 4 to NordFX. So if I already have a video now, you can actually connect any broker to MetaTrader 4. So I'll also probably include the link. So I guess this is it about NordFX. Okay, I hope you learned something from it, and let me know what you think about NordFX, if it's worth it. Okay, any experiences you've had with NordFX. All right, so if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.